You have to open Whiteboard.
Right, so...
I closed it, so you have to open it. There you go. Perfect.
Okay.
You want to do a new board? Go home. You can go home. Yep, beautiful.
Ready?
Now tap it again just one time. There we go. There's our menu. Oh wait, it selected one word. We don't want the whole word. We just wanted to pull up that other menu. There we go.
Have you ever wanted to see a dinosaur up close, like people have done in countless movies? Chances are, you have already seen animals so like dinosaurs as to be indistinguishable from them.